The Vermont Senate is the upper house of the Vermont General Assembly, the state legislature of Vermont. The Senate consists of 30 members. Senate districting divides the 30 members into 3 single-member districts, 6 two-member districts, 3 three-member districts, and 1 six-member district. Each senator represents at least 20,300 citizens. Senators are elected to 2-year terms, and there is no limit to the number of terms that a senator may serve. As in other upper houses of state and territorial legislatures and the federal U.S. Senate, the state Senate of Vermont is reserved with special functions such as confirming or rejecting gubernatorial appointments to executive departments, the state cabinet, commissions, boards, and electing members to the Vermont Supreme Court. The Vermont Senate meets at the Vermont State House in the state capital of Montpelier. History: Vermont had a unicameral legislature until 1836. It added a Senate by constitutional amendment. Districting and terms: senators are elected from a total of 13 single and multi-member Senate districts. The districts largely correspond to the boundaries of the state's 14 counties with adjustments to ensure equality of representation. 2 small counties are combined into one district. Each district elects between 1 and 6 senators depending on population. In addition, Vermont is one of the 14 states where the upper house of its state legislature serves at a 2-year cycle, rather than the more common 4-year term in the majority of states. Composition of the Senate. Leadership of the Senate. The Lieutenant Governor of Vermont serves as the President of the Senate, but only casts a legislative vote if required to break a tie. In his or her absence, the President pro tempore presides over the Senate. The President pro tempore is elected by the majority party caucus, followed by confirmation of the entire Senate through a Senate resolution. The President pro tempore is the chief leadership position in the Senate. The other Senate majority and minority leaders are elected by the respective party caucuses. Committee assignments are determined by the Committee on Committees. This group consists of the Lieutenant Governor, the Senate President pro tem, and one member chosen by the full Senate. For several years, the third member of the committee has been Richard Mazza. Current leadership. Current members of the Senate originally appointed operations. The full Senate meets Tuesday and Friday mornings only for the first 7 weeks of the annual session.